I got something new to try today, you guys. So excited to use this with a full wash day right now. My hair is really tangled, y'all. It looks pretty like this, but if I go in there, like I can't get my hand out. It is really matted up in there. And then I got this big bundle right here. So if you guys want a quick, easy wash day using wonderful products that has moisturizing argan oil, hair mask, conditioner for deep nurturing and repairing your hair. Oh boy. No alcohol to be found. Yes, dear, no alcohol to be found. I have found it. So let's put this to the test. Ooh, she's thick. Really nice and thick. The link will be down in the bio. So now I'm going to fast forward the video so you guys can see the process of me using this wonderful hair mask and the results. So to properly detangle my hair, I carefully finger detangle it and use a demi brush. Hair retention during my wash day is key. This conditioner definitely improved my hair quality and my hair health. So now I'm preparing it because I am definitely going to straighten my hair using this really unique blow dryer. It's a frequent flow, high flow blow dryer, you guys, and it's simply amazing. It's lightweight, it's so easy to use. The buttons is just switch. My main focus is to properly dry my scalp because a girl takes all day for it to really dry because I have a lot of hair and I want a very healthy scalp because healthy scalp, healthy hair. This is my unique way to stretch the hair as I'm blowing drying, so because I said this is a very high blow dryer, like it's so strong and powerful, so this just holds down the hair so it's not all over the place. But you guys, to get it really silky and straight, I'm going to use this amazing brush right here. You plug in, it has heat to it. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so healthy for your hair, but it's only good when you properly brush and comb and detangle your hair, because I noticed when I didn't do it right, I didn't detangle my hair and I didn't blow dry it out, it was pulling a lot of my hair. So make for sure your hair is like close to wavy or semi-wavy but no curls. You see how I've got light waves in it, and I'm going very, very slow, but I am using the comb because that will even make it more and more straighter. I'm loving this tool. It's making my hair day go so much faster. Oh yeah, it has 4 different settings of heat, you guys. I have it at 360, but it can even go higher than that. You don't need much heat actually because it's penetrating it and to push it down, and it really works. You see, I just did one passing and it did the trick. I mean, you can go over it more, but I like a lot of body and flow. I don't want it like super bone straight or I'll be using a flat iron. This is to do the tricks. You see that, you guys? It gets all the kinks out of it and your hair still feels so soft and healthy because I use that hair mask too. So I think everything is working together for my benefit. I know this video was very helpful. Yes, you're welcome, because now you had a quick, fast, easy wash day using this wonderful hair mask and this awesome blow dryer and a straightening brush that just makes your hair look so healthy and flow and flourish. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I have more videos.